Your graphics card is a beast. Your reflexes are sharp. But if your monitor is lying to you, you're already losing. For the past 3 months, I've been testing over 24 of the latest gaming monitors, from 4K beasts to 360Hz speed demons. And what I found changes everything. The number one monitor isn't the most expensive, and the most hyped. Well, it completely failed. All the monitors that made the cut, with the best prices, are linked in the description. Strap in, because your next upgrade is right here. Starting at number 1. AOC Q27 G4ZD. Best gaming monitor for everyday 1440p play. If you're in the market for a reasonably priced gaming monitor that can tap into higher resolutions than 1080p, the AOC Q27 G4ZD is right for you. It's by far the most affordable OLED gaming monitor we've tested. It's a great option for those who own mainstream gaming PCs or favor performance over quality modes for their console games. The monitor features plenty of USB-A ports, although it lacks some more modern conveniences, such as USB-C ports. The 560x1 for 40-pixel panel offers a 240Hz refresh rate, which is ideal for gamers interested in fast-paced action games, and also opens up opportunities to tap into higher refresh rates on consoles. Combine that with low input lag and good color range, and you've got an excellent 1440p monitor. Have a mainstream PC or a current-gen console and want a sweet spot between high refresh rates and high screen resolution? The AOC Q27 G4ZD will work for you. OLED monitors are notoriously expensive, but like most bleeding-edge tech, they're finally starting to become affordable. The AOC Q27 G4ZD might not be the most impressive OLED screen we've seen, but for the price, we're happy to overlook any slight blemishes to an overall impressive display. Number 2. Asus ROG Swift PG27 UCDM. Best premium 4K gaming monitor. The Asus ROG Swift PG27 UCDM has nearly everything we want from an OLED monitor: a 4K screen, a 240Hz peak refresh rate, and DisplayPort 2.1 technology to sync with the latest GPUs. It's got other noteworthy perks, too, like a QD OLED screen that delivers an exceptionally vivid color range and high brightness, and ultra-low input lag. The higher pixel density also makes for an excellent pick for the color accuracy critical work of creative professionals. Built for work and play, the PG27 UCDM is one of the best OLED gaming monitors we've tested. It's expensive, as most OLED monitors are, but its excellent color range, color accuracy, and gaming performance justify its high price. If you can afford it, the PG27 UCDM will reward you with splendid visuals suitable for nearly any game, thanks to its stunning 4K OLED screen and high refresh rate. The monitor's DisplayPort 2.1 port makes it an ideal choice for maximizing your gaming experience if you have a newer NVIDIA or AMD GPU that has a 2.1 output. Gaming monitors aren't known for aesthetic originality, but the PG27 UCDM does take measures to stand out from the rest of the pack, including offering some neat RGB lighting. Number 3. LG 45 Ultragear OLED, 45G x950A-B. Best giant gaming monitor, 40 to 50 inches. The LG 45 Ultragear OLED, 45G x950A-B, is an excellent update to the LG 45 Ultragear OLED curved gaming monitor, improving it in every way. Measuring 45 inches on the diagonal, the supersized Ultragear sports a 120x2 160 pixel resolution, an OLED panel, and a tighter 800mm curve. You'll also find a host of new perks, including a DisplayPort 2.1 port. With richer colors, deeper blacks, and an overall excellent color range, the Ultragear earns our top recommendation for a giant gaming monitor. If giant screen gaming or multitasking appeals to you, then the LG 45 Ultragear OLED is exactly what you need. Few things are more satisfying than playing a game that's tailor-made for immersive displays. This is an especially good display for genres such as first-person shooters, world-scale strategy titles, and racing or flight simulators. Number 4. LG 27 Ultragear OLED, 27GX790A. Best esports monitor. With a 480Hz refresh rate and low input lag, the LG 27 Ultragear OLED, 27GX790A, is a 560x1 for 40-pixel monitor built for high frame rates and fast-paced gameplay. A stunning OLED screen means you won't sacrifice visual fidelity for performance. And with the latest DisplayPort 2.1 technology, you'll be ready to fully utilize your latest GPU purchase while future-proofing your monitor for years to come. This monitor is ideal for competitive players who want the highest visual fidelity to match their high-performance play. Are you a competitive gamer tired of trading resolution for refresh rate? If so, you'll be thrilled by the 27GX790A. Hardcore gamers will love the 27GX790A's exceptionally high refresh rate, which allows them to experience buttery smooth visuals. DisplayPort 2.1 will unlock the full potential of your GPU's performance, while also future-proofing your monitor for years to come. Number 5. Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Best ultrawide gaming monitor. To our eyes, the premier ultrawide gaming monitor is the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. Stretching wide at 49 inches, this gaming monitor supports a whopping 120x1 for 40 pixel resolution on its curved OLED panel. Its big wingspan has a gentle 1,800mm curvature and a chassis that measures a razor-thin 0.18 inch at its thinnest point. The OLED panel ensures a wide color range in deep blacks, and the ultra-wide screen shines when playing simulators and other games that use the full-screen real estate and park some of the image in your peripheral vision. Although it may not be ideal for competitive play, the dazzling screen offers more than enough eye candy to warrant a recommendation. Sometimes, a game calls for the widest screen possible. When it does, answer with the Odyssey OLED G9. Flight sims and racing games shine on panels like this, which dominate your peripheral vision with scenery whizzing past. Just check that the games in question support the G9's unusual resolution. A big screen like the G9 is ideal for someone looking to replace their two-monitor setup with one glorious display without sacrificing multitasking capabilities. So there you have it. The 5 champions that survived the gauntlet. Whether you're a competitive grinder or an immersive story seeker, one of these will be your perfect weapon. If this guide saved you hours of research and money, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel. Share this with your squad so they can upgrade too, and subscribe for no nonsense, real test reviews you can actually trust. Game on!